Well, welcome everyone to this presentation, Past, Present, and Future Horizons, Advancing Diversity and Inclusion in Global Auditing Teams through AI. I'm Mike Richmond, your host for Exemplar Global's Excellence in Auditing Expo 2024. Today's session here at the Expo is presented by Kelly Rusbach. Kelly is the founder and director of Adaptable Quality, as well as an Exemplar Global Certified ISO 9001 lead auditor. In this presentation, Kelly's going to provide some deep insight into ways that auditors might use emerging technology to enhance ideals around diversity and inclusivity. And with that, Kelly, welcome to the Expo. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you. We look forward to your presentation. Very interesting topic.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Kelly Rusbach, founder of Adaptable Quality, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today to discuss this fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence, diversity, and inclusion in the field of auditing. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, the integration of AI, artificial intelligence, into our auditing practices has become increasingly prevalent, offering a wealth of opportunities and challenges. However, amidst this technological transformation, it's imperative to underscore the critical role of diversity and inclusion in shaping the future of our global auditing teams. As a founder and a leader in the auditing field, I've come to appreciate the profound impact that diversity and inclusion have on our organizational success. By embracing diverse perspectives, experiences, and backgrounds, auditing teams can cultivate an environment of innovation, creativity, resilience, and driving a better outcome for all of our stakeholders. Today, I will take you through a journey spanning past, present, and future horizons of AI in auditing, with a focus on how diversity and inclusion can guide us towards excellence and equity. Throughout our discussion, I would like you to ponder the following question: how can we leverage diversity and inclusion to maximize the benefits of AI in auditing while mitigating potential risks and challenges? Let's explore this question together as we delve into the upcoming slides. So let's start today by taking a journey back in time to explore the evolution of auditing and AI. The historical trajectory of AI in auditing reflects a journey marked by early innovations and breakthroughs that have paved the way for today's advanced applications. For example, in the United States, the development of an expert system like MySIN in the 1970s laid the foundation for automating routine auditing tasks by applying rule-based algorithms to diagnose medical conditions. Similarly, in Japan, in the 5th generation computer systems project in the 1980s, it aimed to develop AI technologies for various applications, including auditing. This initiative led to the advancements in neural networks and machine learning algorithms, expanding the horizons of auditing practices on a global scale. In the context of diversity and inclusion, these early AI technologies laid the groundwork for more inclusive and diverse auditing practices. As AI technologies automated routine tasks such as data analysis and risk assessment, auditors were able to focus on more complex and strategic aspects of the audit process. This shift allowed auditing teams to leverage diverse perspectives and expertise, and leading to more robust and comprehensive audit outcomes. Furthermore, diversity is essential in AI development to ensure that these algorithms are trained on diverse data sets and perspectives, mitigating the risk of bias and ensuring fairness in decision-making processes. By incorporating diverse perspectives in the AI development, we can create more inclusive and equitable auditing practices that benefits everybody. As we continue our exploration, I encourage you to keep in mind that question that we posed earlier. How do you envision AI transforming the auditing profession in the next 5 years? Perhaps you are thinking about the increased automation of routine tasks, allowing auditors to focus more on strategic analysis and decision-making, Or maybe you're thinking about the challenges related to data privacy, security, and ethical considerations when we're adopting AI. As we explore the evolution of AI in auditing and its implications for diverse and inclusive teams, let's delve into a real-world case study that exemplifies these principles in action. So let's take a closer look at a real-world example that beautifully encapsulates the intersection of AI diversity and inclusion in auditing practices. Microsoft, a global technology leader, has pioneered an initiative called the AI for Accessibility Program. This program is not just about technology, it's about empowerment and inclusivity. Now, Microsoft's AI for Accessibility program aims to empower individuals with disabilities and promote inclusivity through AI-driven auditing tools. This initiative is a shining example of how organizations can leverage AI to create positive social impact while advancing their auditing processes. Microsoft's approach is multifaceted. Firstly, they leverage cutting-edge AI technologies to develop auditing tools that assess the accessibility of digital content and platforms. But it doesn't stop there. They also actively incorporate feedback and insights from individuals with disabilities, ensuring that their auditing tools are truly effective and inclusive. Moreover, Microsoft emphasizes the importance of inclusive design practices in AI development, making sure that their tools can cater to diverse user needs and preferences. Now, of course, this journey hasn't been without challenges. Auditing digital content for accessibility is complex, especially considering that the diverse range of disabilities and accessibility standards there are. And then there's the task of mitigating bias in AI algorithms, which requires constant vigilance and proactive measures. Lastly, there's the delicate balance between automation and human expertise, ensuring that AI-driven tools enhance rather than replace human judgment and insight. Through the AI Accessibility Program, Microsoft has learned some invaluable lessons. Collaboration is absolutely the key. By engaging diverse stakeholders, including individuals with disabilities, they've been able to co-create more effective and inclusive auditing solutions. Continuous improvement is another crucial lesson. It's not just about launching a product and calling it a day. It's about constantly refining and enhancing to better serve the needs of all of our users. And let's not forget about ethical considerations. Prioritizing the fairness, transparency, accountability in AI development ensures that auditing practices uphold the highest ethical standards. So how does all of this relate to our overarching topic of AI, diversity, and inclusion in auditing? Well, Microsoft's AI for Accessibility program exemplifies how organizations can leverage AI technologies while prioritizing diversity and inclusion in their auditing practices. By highlighting their strategies, challenges, and lessons learned, this case study provides the actionable insights for auditing teams seeking to enhance inclusivity and equity into their operations. Fast forward to the present, where AI is revolutionizing system auditing by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness. Today, AI-powered tools like machine learning algorithms empower auditors to analyze vast amounts of data, spot patterns, anomalies, and risks with unparalleled precision. For instance, AI-driven software can automatically scrutinize data against industry-specific standards, flagging potential compliance issues or deviations from best practices. Various sectors now utilize AI to ensure adherence to regulations and streamline their operations. In healthcare, AI systems scrutinize electronic health records to detect billing errors or fraudulent claims, or upholding compliance with regulations like HIPAA. In manufacturing, AI-powered systems monitor production process, identify defects, and ensure adherence to quality standards. Yet, despite AI's benefits in system auditing, it's vital to acknowledge its limitations. AI algorithms rely on the data that they're trained on, which can introduce biases and inaccuracies. Plus, AI cannot wholly replace humans' judgment and expertise. Human auditors remain essential for interpreting results, exercising professional judgment, and ensuring ethical AI use. Given these factors, auditors must approach AI implementation and system auditing thoughtfully. By coupling AI technologies with human expertise, auditors can maximize efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness while mitigating the risks and upholding ethical and regulatory standards. This amalgamation of AI and system auditing underscores the significance of diversity and inclusion in auditing teams. Diverse teams offer a broad spectrum of perspectives, experiences, and expertise, enriching the audit process and ensuring the responsible and ethical development, implementation, and use of these AI technologies. By fostering a diverse and inclusive environment, we cultivate a culture of innovation and collaboration within our auditing teams. This inclusive approach allows us to develop AI solutions that cater to a wide array of needs and viewpoints. Involving diverse voices in AI development and implementation enables us to identify biases, enhance algorithm transparency, and ensure ethical deployment. Conversely, neglecting diversity and inclusion in AI endeavors may perpetuate biases, exclusionary practices, and ethical lapses. Without embracing diverse perspectives, auditing teams risk overlooking crucial considerations and unintentionally reinforcing existing inequalities in audit outcomes. Diversity and inclusion within global auditing teams play a pivotal role in maximizing the potential of natural language processing, or NLP. By fostering an environment where diverse perspectives, experiences, and cultural insights are valued and integrated, organizations can unlock a new dimension of innovation, creativity, and decision-making prowess. Innovation through diverse perspectives. Embracing diversity within auditing teams brings together individuals with unique backgrounds, expertise, and problem-solving approaches. When applied to NLP, this diversity of thought sparks innovation by challenging traditional assumptions, identifying novel applications, and exploring untapped opportunities. For example, auditors from different cultural backgrounds may offer diverse interpretations of textual data, leading to innovative approaches in sentiment analysis, trend prediction, or risk detection. For when we're thinking about enhanced decision-making, inclusive auditing teams leverage the collective intelligence of individuals with varied perspectives and cognitive styles. When combined with the analytical capabilities of NLP, this diversity enables auditors to make more informed, nuanced, and contextually relevant decisions. For instance, diverse teams adept at interpreting cultural nuances can provide deeper insights into customer behaviors, market dynamics, regulatory compliance requirements, empowering organizations to make strategic decisions with confidence. Let's think about improved problem solving. NLP-powered tools empower auditing teams to tackle complex problems with agility and precision. When augmented with diverse perspectives, these tools can be even more effective in navigating linguistic complexities, identifying patterns, and extracting actionable insights from textual data. And by harnessing the collective problem-solving capabilities of diverse teams, organizations can overcome linguistic barriers, mitigate biases, and address multifaceted challenges in an auditing process. Diversity and inclusion foster an environment where all voices are heard and respected and valued. When integrated with NLP initiatives, these inclusivity actions ensure that AI algorithms consider a diverse range of viewpoints, linguistic nuances, and cultural sensitivities. As a result, NLP-powered analysis yield more equitable outcomes, free from bias or discriminatory interpretations. This commitment to fairness and inclusivity strengthens trust in the audit process. It enhances the stakeholders' confidence and promotes ethical AI deployment. In conclusion, embracing diversity and inclusion with global auditing teams enriches the capabilities of NLP, driving innovation, enhancing decision-making, fostering equitable outcomes by championing diversity as a cornerstone of NLP initiatives. Organizations can unlock the full potential of AI-powered analytics, propelling auditing practice into a whole new era of excellence and inclusion. AI's integration into auditing processes is reshaping businesses and industries worldwide, with both positive and negative implications. Operational efficiency. AI-powered tools streamline auditing processes, reducing manual effort and accelerating task completion. Collaborative efforts with diverse auditing teams powered by AI enhance operational efficiency, enabling auditors to focus on high-value activities and foster innovation. Enhanced decision-making. AI equips auditors with data-driven insights, facilitating more informed and timely decision-making. By embracing diversity and inclusion within our auditing teams, AI-driven analytics leverage a broad range of perspectives and expertise, ensuring comprehensive risk assessment and strategic planning. Innovation and growth. AI fosters innovation by uncovering hidden patterns, correlations, and opportunities with vast data sets. Collaboration among diverse auditing teams empowered by AI promotes creativity and adaptability, driving growth and competitive advantage in dynamic markets. Now, we must consider the negative impacts also. Data privacy concerns. The widespread adoption of AI raises concerns about data privacy and security. Auditors must navigate regulatory requirements and ethical considerations to ensure the responsible use of sensitive information, safeguarding individuals' privacy rights and organizational integrity. AI algorithms may inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Auditors must proactively mitigate risks by monitoring algorithm performance, diversifying training data sets, and promoting diversity in AI development and implementation. Another negative is workforce displacement. The automation of routine auditing tasks through AI may lead to job displacement or skill mismatches within the auditing workforce. Organizations must invest in reskilling and upskilling initiatives to equip auditors with the competencies needed to thrive in an AI-driven landscape, fostering an inclusive environment for continuous learning and professional development. AI-enabled auditing supports strategic planning by providing organizations with actionable insights derived from comprehensive data analysis. Collaborative efforts among diverse auditing teams empowered by AI inform strategic decision-making, risk management, and resource allocation, driving organizational growth and resilience. Moreover, AI-driven auditing facilities compliance with ISO and industry-specific standards by automating compliance monitoring, risk assessment, and regulatory reporting. Auditors can leverage AI-powered tools to ensure enhanced quality management systems, environmental regulations, and industry best practices, mitigating compliance-related risks and enhancing the organization's performance. As we delve into mitigating risks associated with AI in auditing, let's explore how diversity and inclusion play a crucial role in fostering ethical AI development and responsible employment. Ethical AI development, we need to Prioritize ethical AI development practices, ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability throughout the life cycle of AI. Establish clear guidelines for data collection, model training, and algorithmic decision making to mitigate the tasks and the risks and the bias of discrimination. Continuous monitoring. We must implement robust monitoring mechanisms to evaluate the AI performance and detect potential biases or errors. Regular audits and assessments can help identify and address algorithmic deficiencies, ensuring the reliability and integrity of our audit outcomes. Comprehensive training. We must provide comprehensive training and education on responsible AI use and ethical decision-making for our auditing professionals. Empower our auditors to critically evaluate AI-generated insights, challenge assumptions, and incorporate diverse perspectives into the decision-making process. To maximize our opportunities, we can use collaborative learning, fostering a culture of collaborative learning and knowledge, sharing among diverse auditing teams, encourage interdisciplinary collaboration and cross-functional teamwork to leverage diverse perspectives and expertise in AI development and implementation, and inclusive design. Embrace inclusive design principles to ensure AI systems accommodate a diverse range of user needs and preferences, solicit feedback from diverse stakeholders throughout the whole design process, and identify and address potential bias, risks, or usability challenges. And of course, continuous improvement. Promote a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within our auditing teams, fueled by diverse insights and experiences. Encourage experimentation, iteration, and feedback loops to refine these AI algorithms and enhance our audit quality over time. Throughout our discussion, I invite you to ponder the following question. How can we leverage diversity and inclusion to maximize the benefits of AI auditing while mitigating potential risks and challenges? Let's explore this question even further as we delve into the next upcoming slides. You may be thinking, as a potential answer to that question, it would maximize opportunities by fostering a diverse and inclusive workplace culture. Auditing teams can harness collective intelligence of individuals from varied backgrounds. It could drive innovation and creativity in the audit process. Or you may be thinking about mitigating risk, where we can proactively address bias and discrimination through diversity and inclusion initiatives. We can enhance algorithmic fairness and transparency, mitigating risks of unintended consequences and ensuring ethical AI deployment. And by adopting these strategies and reflecting on the critical role of diversity and inclusion, we can navigate these complexities of AI in auditing with confidence and integrity. And as we conclude our exploration of the interplay between AI, diversity, and inclusion in our global auditing teams, let's reflect on the journey that we've taken and the pivotal role diversity and inclusion play in shaping the future of auditing. Today, we embarked on a journey through the past, present, and future horizons in auditing, highlighting the transformative impact of technology on audit practices and the critical need to embrace diversity and inclusion throughout this whole evolution. From the early innovations of expert systems and rule-based algorithms to the advanced applications of machine learning and natural language processing, AI has reshaped auditing practices worldwide. However, amidst this technological transformation, it is essential to recognize the foundational role of diversity and inclusion in fostering innovation, driving progress, and ensuring the ethical AI deployment. Throughout our discussion, we posed the question, how can we leverage diversity and inclusion to maximize the benefits of AI in auditing while managing and mitigating potential risks and challenges? This question prompted us to explore strategies for addressing risks and maximizing opportunities through AI development, continuous monitoring, and inclusive design. In summary, our journey underscored the critical importance of diversity and inclusion, guiding us towards excellence and equity in auditing. By embracing diverse perspectives, experiences, and backgrounds, auditing teams can harness the full potential of AI to drive innovation, enhance decision-making processes, and ensure the responsible use of AI. As we navigate the complexities of AI and auditing, let us remain committed to fostering a culture of diversity and inclusion and collaboration. Together, we can pave a way for our future where AI serves as a catalyst for positive change and empowers auditors to achieve greater efficiency, accuracy, and impact while we're upholding the principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability.
Well, Kelly, good job. That was you covered a lot of ground there and not a lot of time. Really well done. That was really interesting. Yeah, thank you for that. I and you see there we have a place where people can write us if they have questions for you at info@exemplarglobal.org, and we'll get any questions that you may have over to Kelly. I had a question for you, Kelly, as I was listening to your presentation. So there's so much there. I mean, so tell me a little bit about how an auditor or someone who's a member of an auditing team would kind of combine some of the soft skills around inclusion and diversity and equity, all those things that we all need to be mindful of, and also combine it with the technical skills for any audit, but particularly, in using AI, because those things they're kind of different sides of the brain. So how would you combine those things?
They are. I think us as auditors, we do that all the time anyway. I mean, I think we don't give ourselves enough credit that we walk into a new business that we've never been to before, doing something that we've never seen before, but we need to apply a certain standard to what we're looking at to be able to give them some good feedback and information and give them something that they can improve upon or find some potential opportunities or risks for them. And I think we're doing that all the time. The only difference is like when we're thinking about diversity and inclusion, we're often thinking about an individual who needs additional assistance to be able to include themselves into the topic and the discussion. But I think what we're doing technically is with AI is being able to all be able to put our information, our thoughts, and our expertise, wherever they come from all over the world, to an industry and be able to use the AI as a tool to communicate that and be able to collaborate together with it. So the soft skills we often talk about as auditors. I know behind the scenes I've had many discussions about personalities of auditors and what we need to be able to do as auditors when we step into a new situation or business that we haven't been into before, being able to read those social cues. And I think what AI is able to do is able to give us that extra information and tool to be able to do that more quickly and in various environments. So if I was to go to another country, different culture, different mannerisms, different ways of saying something or just those cultural nuances. AI can assist me in understanding that, because if we've put all of the information into the algorithm at the beginning, being responsible and looking at any biases that there may be, that information being generated outward to me, giving me information about this country, about this business, about how things work, we can marry that up with our soft skills. And it's continuous education of being able to have this extra tool in our pocket. I do think I did touch on it a little bit. There is a lot of information in that overview of presentation I've just done. I did touch on it where I was talking about how we have to be able to put that information in to be able to receive that information out. So we really do need to collaborate with such a wide range of people to be able to do that in the first instance.
To me, AI is really kind of a framing mechanism, and it's kind of a filter. I mean, but you have to know
Yes,
what you're looking for. You don't just
yes,
get something out of it. But as a team, you can kind of maybe work within that and allow other people to get other pieces of information out of it.
that's it. Yeah.
Depending on what you're looking for, what your specialties are. I mean, the idea of auditing as a team is really interesting to me.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's, I know you go into audits with a team, and often you're working with the same people in that same area, or you've seen people who you've worked with before, so you've got the same ideas, and having that AI as a tool to be able to be a translator between you and somebody else on the other side of the world working on one project together. That may be a global project, it may be an organization with offices throughout the world. You're actually able to collaborate, and then you get consistency but without bias across the whole global organization.
Consistency without bias. I like that. That's a really
Yeah,
interesting
yeah.
way to look at it. That's great. That's great. Well, Kelly Resbach, thank you for doing that. Really, as I mentioned, very good presentation. Really interesting. You giving us all a lot to think about. As I mentioned, if you'd like to write to us and ask Kelly any questions, those of you that are watching, please feel free. And know that you can earn CPD from watching this session. So just check that out. It's right there on the page right below us here. You can find out ways to get your CPD for this session. And check out all the other sessions we have available here at the Excellence in Auditing Expo 2024. A lot of good content here, like the session we've done here today. So check them all out and let us know what you think. So Kelly, again, thank you very much for being there. Thank you all for being there as well. And we'll see you at the next session here at Exemplar Global's Excellence in Auditing Expo 2024.